Ito yung in-order ko dito. I'm alone eating here. Sendampa. Lasap Pinoy. See? Yan. Lasang bahay. Sarap yung ano nila pagkain. Because hindi mo ako sinaman bikikay, kaya nag-isa na lang akong kumain. Sarap siya do. Manghang kunti. Yan pusit. I'm alone eating here. Because I feel hungry, you know. The bangus is very sweet. See, I don't know the taste yet if it's good or not. See, good siya. Masarap. Pero yung mais nila, I don't like the taste. The mais is not good taste, you know. And patata, there is something that not feel good, you know. But this one, oh, very nice. The strawberry, fantastic. The taste, I like. And so I'm very hungry. That's why I eat here. She very nice. The bangus, this one. They have sausawan also, you know. I like that taste. I feel hot, you know, because of the electric fan. That's why. Copyright tayo kasi may music. May music kasi dito. Finish I eat. I'm going home now. Banana cue. Doon.